Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for checking out my video. So this is the painting you guys are going to see in the video today. I love this, you guys. I wanted to change up the composition, do something a little bit different with the gradient Dutch pours. Yeah, really happy with how this turned out. So I will say you can see some texture around the border here. And the reason this happened is because I actually didn't paint my border white. I usually paint it white, but this time I put tape down, trying to save some time so that I wouldn't have to paint the border. And because I didn't paint the border, the transparent base actually got up underneath the paint here and created this texture. Now I will say, I don't mind this texture at all. I think it's really cool, and in fact I kind of wish that it had gotten in a little bit further and created more texture closer to the middle. But yeah, I kind of want to experiment with that, maybe trying to create more texture in certain places. But yeah, still really happy with how this turned out. I'm also going to be teaching a beginner's bloom class on September the 12th in Oxford, North Carolina. So if you're in North Carolina, Virginia, or surrounding areas, you can check out my website, crystalcoastoriginals.com, for more information on that. I also have my online course for the gradient Dutch pour technique, which is this technique right here. That is available on my website, crystalcoastoriginals.com. All right, you guys, I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.